Right out here. All right, guys. So we are loaded up, and we are ready to go to my grandfather's house. About an hour and some change away, and she'll be picking up a little 50cc dirt bike. It's like a Yamato, something like that. A friend of the family had one, and he said it's been sitting since like 2008 or something like that. So I have the battery off the go-kart. I have the PZ19 or 20 off of the 80cc that came on the go-kart, and from some quick googling, it has a PZ19 or PZ20. So throw the battery on there, throw the carb on there, throw some gas in it, and maybe it'll start. Don't know. We're gonna go get it and see if we get it firing and maybe get a first ride this video. Hopefully it'll be pretty simple. So see you in about an hour, or I'll see you in 2 seconds. All right, this is the Yamoto. I got impatient, got here, started breaking it down. So I already took the seat off, got the battery out the battery. It was in my son's go-kart. It's the exact same size. The carburetor off of the go-kart looks to be exactly the same. I already got the bolts out. I'm gonna need to take the choke lever off, take the throttle cable out, and it should come out. Tires look good. They're not cracked up. They were sitting in the storage house. The front brakes work decent. The back brakes don't seem like they're working at all. They're grabbing very little. Need to adjust those. But let me go and finish getting this carburetor off, switch it out, check the oil. Oil looks good. So let's finish getting this carburetor out, and then throw some gas in it and see if it starts. I just pulled the fuel bowl off, and look at that. That looks like we definitely will not be using this carburetor. Looks nasty, and it smells absolutely terrible. So this is why I don't care to try to start stuff, because more than likely gas was left in it, and you get that nasty looking stuff right there, and it smells terrible. It appears that both carburetors are exactly the same. I'm gonna try to switch over the choke. What, boo? Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna try to switch over the manual choke mechanism from the old carburetor to the new carburetor, and I'm gonna use the filter and dirt sleeve from the old carburetor. So let's see if I can get this mechanism off and get it switched over. So to switch out the cable choke, I had to take the bolt out of the blade, and then the whole unit pulled out. So I have the manual choke switched over from the old carburetor to the new to the Yamoto carburetor off the 80cc. So now I'm just gonna get the choke cord installed, get the fuel line installed, get the air filter on it, and get the battery in and try to start it. Got the carburetor installed, got the battery installed, the factory choke and everything worked, throttle worked like it should, got the old filter installed, got the battery installed. So let's see if we got some juice. All right, we got some juice. Let's add some gas, see if it'll fire. Watch out, Ken. Watch out. Go over there with Papa.
You don't think you got no gas in it?
It ain't no gas in it. Oh, oh, start it right on up. Start it right on up. Let's get it all back together. All right, so yesterday I got excited and did the first ride and got to talking, and I didn't record it. So D3, say hello. All right, so now we're going to take the first ride on camera, which is technically the second ride, but I'm going to let D3 drive it, and I'm gonna ride on the back, and we'll see how he likes it.
You are way too heavy.
What? You too heavy. All right, you know how to start it. there ain't no gas going to it, it ain't gonna start. All right, let go of it. Let's give it a second to warm up. All right. Hold on. Hit the brake. Make sure you keep your hand on the brake. Over here. Worry about this brake. Use this as a brake. Worry about this one throttle. So give it a little bit of throttle.
Oh no.
All right, go that way.
This way?
That way. All right, come on.
This makes it wrecking power.
Go that way.
Okay. Gotcha. This is fast.
Get off the brake.
Huh?
Get off the brake. Hit gas. Hit it.
Ooh, look, it's another go-kart.
Oh, well. Get on this side of the road.
This side?
Yep.
What the heck? What's hard? Let me. I'm not afraid to do it. Sorry. I gotta be running. That's a good exercise. The last house. The last house. You got it. You.
Okay. All right. Break. Break. Good job. Let's go to break. You gonna turn it off? All right. Good job. All right. First test drive with the sun went well. I just drained the oil out because, like I said, this thing's been sitting for 10 years. So I drained the oil out. There's a 17 millimeter plug right there. I'll see if I can get it. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's a 17 millimeter bolt on more towards the right side of the cart. There's a nick that bolt out, let it drain, and now I'm about to put. I only put like the cheapest 1030 synthetic. This was like $20 for 5 quarts, 1 gallon. So this is what I put in here. And when I googled it, it said it uses half a quart, which is 16 ounces. So I have my little measuring cup thing here that I use to mix my 2-stroke oils. It has like a measuring chart for like your oil ratios and all that stuff, and then it also has like a fluid ounce and a cc chart and a pint chart on the other side. So just put it to 16. And for what I was reading, it can take from anywhere between half a quart and 3/4 of a quart. So I'm going to start with half a quart. But to fill it, it is on the right side. So there's another little plug on the left side, but don't put any oil in there because that's where the stator is. Do not put oil there. That's not an oil field. Looks like this, and it has the actual oil check on it as well. All right, so everything I Googled on the oil said half a quart to 3/4 of a quart, which is 16 ounces to 24 ounces, and it's still showing up a little low. So I'm having trouble finding the actual owner's manual for this. So, but for now, we're going to call it good. I will clean it up one day, and I guess I'll post that like a little before and after I clean it up and everything. But that's it for this one. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully if y'all have one of these, or if you're going to pick one of these up, if you pick one of these up, hopefully this will help you to get it running. This is pretty simple. The wiring harness and everything is good. Just needed carburetor and battery. And like I said, the oil looked good, but I'm not going to trust 10-year-old oil. I do have an LED light pod that I want to put in place of that light here. So I do want to take the clear part out and then stick that in there like a little Cyclops type deal. So cleaning it up and installing this will be probably in the next video on this one, and then this will be pretty much done, because I mean, not doing anything else to it until it needs it. All right guys, so until next time, peace.